Hey guys, I'm Tara, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Morphe collection. So if you haven't already seen it, it's their new collaboration with Pony Park. The collection has 3 matte lipsticks and a pastel eyeshadow palette. So when you open it up, you get these 2 gorgeous images right here of her, and then you open up the other half. This is so huge I can't even fit it all in. Hang on. There we go. That's the 3rd image. And then inside of the actual box, you have 3 lipsticks right there and a gorgeous palette. So here's how they look. And this first one is in the shade MYSTIFY. On my hand right here. So there's MYSTIFY. And under. And then the 3rd shade is Charisma, which is more of like a peachy orangey shade. There's Charisma. That's all 3 of the shades of lipstick. They're all mattes and they're all kind of pastel shades. Next we got the 35I Icy Fantasy palette. So these are all pastel shades. So we open it up. How adorable is this? So you've got these 3 images of Pony Park, and then on the back of them it has a bit of information about her. So like fun facts, her star sign, her name. That's pretty cool. Information about the actual collection. The palette retails for £24. The lipstick trio retail for £20. So adorable. Thank you, Morphe. So if you want to see how I created this look using this palette, keep watching. Because these are pastel colours, I'm going to apply a really light base to help them show up a bit better. I'm just going to use a sponge to blend it out. Now that I've set my base, ready to go, I'm going to go in with the first shade. I'm going to go in with Wishful first, which is more of like a yellowy green shade. I might add a bit of Echo, which is more of like a lime green. I'm going to go in with the Wishful. Oh, they're a lot more pigmented than I thought it would be. So I was expecting it to be like washed out and chalky, but these are not too bad. So I'm just bringing that into my inner corner. So here's how we're looking so far. And now I'm going to go in with the 2nd shade, which was Echo, the lime green. I'm going to apply that right next to the 1st shade. Just tapping it on and lightly fanning it outwards. Okay, so the next 2 shades I'm going to go in with are Chill Thrill, which is this shade here, another green pastel shade, and Into the Blue, which is a more of a pastel blue shade. So this one first, followed by this. So Chill Thrill is definitely more of like a minty green pastel shade. Blending it into Echo. Now taking Into the Blue. I'm actually really impressed with the pigment on this, considering they're pastels. Pastel? So this is how it's looking so far, but hopefully at the end it will all come together. Next we're gonna go in with, so now we're gonna go in with Dreamer and start tapping that onto my lid, slightly blending it into the blue and just fluffing out those edges. I don't think I've actually ever done a pastel eyeshadow look. First time for everything. So we've got Dreamer down, and now we're gonna go in with Sky High. This pink pastel shade right here. Oh, nearly dropped. Going in with the pink. So I'm just tapping that on into Dreamer and also tapping it outwards. I'm impressed. I'm being really light-handed with this, so I bet if I was to really pack on the colours, they would pop a lot more, but it's still showing up really well. And I'm bringing it upwards a little bit towards my brow bone, just to soften out that purple shade, a Dreamer. Okay, pastels. Got a smaller brush. I'm gonna go along my lower lash line. feel like a walk-in cotton candy or candy floss. In with the purple. And now the blue. Back in with the green. Not bad. Now I'm gonna go on my inner corner with this shade right here, which is called Mystical. And we're just gonna pop a bit of that on the inner corner for a little bit of shine, a little bit of bling bling. Now she's coming together. I'm thinking if I should put a bit of shimmer on my brow bone or not. I don't want to ruin it though. Should I do it? Got my small brush. Gonna go in with Imagine first. Oh, I hope this is not gonna be too ashy. Let's add a bit of Rosy Haze. I'm just gonna go back in with the brush I used the pink on, just to blend that brow highlight a bit so it's not too harsh. I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just thinking if there's anything I want to change before adding lashes. I decided I wanted to try and add a bit of Frostbright in my inner corner, which is this glittery silver shade right here. Here we go. Slightly patting it. So that's the shadow so far. Let's add some liner and lashes. So for my liner, I'm just going to use the Anastasia liquid liner. I just line my inner corner and along my lash line. For mascara, I'm going to use It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm trying my hardest not to get any mascara on the eyeshadow. I can't help but make this face when I do mascara. I'm sorry guys. I'm sure I'm not the only one. No! Let's try and get this off. Oh lord. Like it was never there. So mascara's on, liner's on. Now let's do some lashes. These are the ones I'm using. Tatty lashes in the style TL10. So let's get this lash on. Hopefully it doesn't cover too much of the eyeshadow. Cute. I'm just gonna pinch the lashes together with my natural lashes. Being really careful not to poke myself in the eye. I bet some of you are sat there like, yeah, poke yourself. Poke yourself, please. Oh, I'm really liking it now. I feel like I need something in my waterline. I'm gonna attempt to put this on my waterline and see how it looks. So the shade I just used in my waterline was MYSTIFY. I'm going to use that same shade on my lips as well, but I'm not going to go in too harsh with it. I'm just going to lightly apply it and then blend it out. Okay, so I've cleaned it off. I feel like I don't want to ruin that little Morphe M stamped in the lipstick, so we're going to use the back of it. I'm going to start to apply it. I don't know how it's going to look. I'm just going to go into that pink shade, Sky High, and add a little bit of it on my cheeks. Of Imagine and Rosy Haze again, the same one I used on my brow bone for my cheekbones as highlight. Not bad. Bling bling, baby. Okay, so here's my final look. I'm not really a fan of pastels, but I do actually really love how this look turned out and the pigments. I'm impressed. If you're a pastel lover, you would definitely love this collection. And the packaging is really cute, really pretty. The palette's really pretty. It has some really nice shades in there, and they performed really well, as you can see. I actually really like how it turned out. I'm like super impressed. What do you guys think? Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if it's not your style. So thank you so much to Morphe for sending me this PR package. I love it. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.